something sweet. And when I'm down, you always change the key. I need you now, my heart has lost the beat. And I'm counting on your love, a melody. We both could use a reason just to smile. So let me be your harmony tonight. Every note you hit cuts into me. So let me hear your love sing. So let me hear your love sing. Let me hear your love sing. So let me hear your love sing. Let me hear your love sing. Hey melody. Every night you play me something sweet. And when I'm down you always change the key. I need you now, my heart has lost the beat. And I'm counting on your love, hey melody. We both could use a reason just to smile. So let me be your harmony tonight. Every note you hit cuts into me. So let me hear your love sing. So let me hear your love sing. Let me hear your love sing. So let me hear your love sing.
Call me whatever they want, call me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy, crazy? Crazy, crazy, oh Lord, this is so much harder than I thought. But I will give them everything I've got. One day I am gonna prove them wrong. Oh Lord, let me be the one to set them free. I will give them every part of me. Put my heart where everyone can see. They can call me whatever they want, call me crazy. You can call me whatever you want, but that won't change me. I just don't care what the world says, I'm gonna make it. They can call me whatever they want, so what if I am crazy, crazy?
It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm really sorry. Sorry I dragged you into this. I overthink. That's all it is. The way you love me. The way you love me till the end. The way you love me. Oh yeah, it makes me king again. When I find myself in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. Could you love me more, just a little, just a little? Overcomplicate, but it's simple, but it's simple, but it's simple. When you love me more, just a little. So tell me now.